Minecraft how to decorating your wolf. So today we'll teach you how to decorate some wolf. So first using spawn wolf, then use bone. Then the second you can use red, green, purple dye. Wait, sit down. Then blue, orange. Okay. So you get your name tag. Wait. Doesn't work. So you can tame your wolf like this. Oh. Then using this fence like this. Okay. Use tight. Then with the wolf. Enjoy your wolf. Okay. And thanks for watching.